This is Trey with Gold Star Inspections. What we're doing looking at this furnace today. It's a carrier furnace, and it's not height. These jets are not lighting up, so we're going to see what's going on. I think I pretty much know what's going on, but we're going to make sure. So turn on this switch, the power to the unit, and the fans kicked on. Down here are some instructions. You have this red light right here that blinks, let you know what's going on. So one blink, short blink, and then a long blink. I'll tell you this code that's over here. Right now the fan is just kicking on, doing its normal process. So right here is the igniter. And over here is the sensor. So when the flame, when the first igniter heats up, turn red, and ignites these jets. And then the sensor, when the fire is hitting that sensor, the sensor tells everything that the fire is on. If that sensor don't sense any fire, it shuts off the gas in its whole system. At the safety feature. So in a little bit, we come to the point where this thing should be heating up. This is what we're going to replace today because it's not heating up. You see a little something on there. You can see it on there. You see it's a little broke. You heard that fan, this inducer fan kick in. A little bit, you're going to hear it change where the gas turns on. There goes the gas. It's not red yet. The gas is going, I can hear it. Shuts off. So we're going to replace this igniter. That should be the issue. So I'll be back.